Tonight is another recipe from our quick and easy 20-minute meals video series. When you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen cooking dinner for your family, this low-carb, keto-friendly beef stroganoff recipe is perfect. Another nice feature of this recipe is that everything is cooked in one pan. We'll combine ground chuck, sliced mushrooms, cheese, sour cream, onion, garlic, and seasonings in a pan with extra virgin olive oil and make a rich and creamy, low-carb, keto-friendly beef stroganoff. Mushrooms contain vitamin D and selenium. Onions contain vitamin C, B6, and life-saving antioxidants. According to Dr. Joel Fuhrman, who's a leading medical doctor and nutritionist, onions and mushrooms help to promote a healthy heart, and they've been shown to help prevent cancer. So join us as we make this quick and easy 20-minute meal. It's low-carb, keto-friendly beef stroganoff in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight is another one of our quick and easy 20-minute meals recipes. We're making low-carb, keto-friendly beef stroganoff. We'll replace traditional pasta noodles with heart-healthy sliced mushrooms. This recipe is rich and creamy and full of flavor. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is a pound of ground chuck, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 4 ounces each of cream cheese and sour cream, a half of yellow onion chopped, a half a teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, turmeric, salt, pepper, paprika, and Italian herbs, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 ounces each of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano and aged white cheddar cheese, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 ounces of lemon juice. In a large pan, pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and turn the heat to medium-low. Add in the chopped onions and the sliced mushrooms. Stir everything together so that the onions and mushrooms are coated with the olive oil, and saute them for about 10 minutes. Add in a few more tablespoons of olive oil and then add in the minced garlic. Saute the garlic for only about a minute. Remember that garlic burns easily, so you only need to cook it for a minute. As soon as it gets fragrant, you'll know that it's done cooking. Then pour the onions, mushrooms, and garlic mixture into a bowl and set it aside. Now we'll add in the ground beef and cook the meat until it is browned, mixing it thoroughly. This should take about 6 to 7 minutes. Add in the spices and mix them into the meat thoroughly too. Once the meat is cooked, add it to the bowl with the mushrooms and onions. Next, we'll make our stroganoff sauce. Add the cream cheese and sour cream to the pan and stir it up until it's melted. Add in the lemon juice and stir everything together. Add the bowl of meat, mushrooms, and onions back into the pan. Add in the shredded cheeses and stir it all together. Check for seasoning and taste. We'll add a bit more paprika and fresh ground pepper to ours, and we're done. And there it is, 1 pan low-carb keto beef stroganoff, a quick and easy 20-minute meals recipe. With mushrooms, onions, ground chuck, seasonings, cream cheese, sour cream, and lemon juice. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!